Hey y'all, it's your girl Lee. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for tapping back in. Gang. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on 1111 hair bar. I have an oil and I have a serum. So if you're interested in seeing that review, then stay tuned. If you're new or you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff, because what? It's 2021, it's up and it's stuck, period. Let's get into this review. So first things first, 11 Hair Bar is Black owned, and all their products are handmade and natural, organic, and all the good stuff, okay? So you don't have to worry about any type of chemicals or anything that would damage your hair, because this is natural, sis, okay? So today I will be reviewing their Deluxe Hydration Oil and then also their Multivitamin Growth Serum. So we have a serum and then we have an oil, and both are 100% natural. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about 1111 Hair Bar, okay? So starting off with the bottle, it tells you the ingredients right here. So it says integrity, and this is the Deluxe Hydration Oil. So it says integrity promotes nourished and hydrated hair. It has Moroccan argan oil and other precious oils. So this is the Deluxe Hydration Oil. And the Multivitamin Growth Serum. So this says integrity, properties of this herbal and pure essence oil. It heals, stimulates, and accelerates hair growth, and it's infused with vitamins E, B6, C, and A. So this just shows you, well, both of them show you that it's totally natural, it's organic, and you can pronounce all the ingredients. So that's a good thing. If you can't pronounce the ingredients, then you probably don't know what it is, and it could be chemical based or anything could be in it, honestly. So this is good that we know exactly what we're putting into our hair, and it also shows on here that it is 100% natural, sis. So I have not used neither of the oil or the serum yet, so I wanted to try it with you guys first. So I already have my hair washed. I just have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it. If you see some whiteness going on, that's what that is. But I did just wash it, and okay, this is what my plan is, okay? This is what my plan is. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that I should get it together. So my plan is to put the growth serum on my scalp, okay, and part it and put it throughout my scalp, and then put the oil throughout my hair. Like I can actually put it on my hair from top to bottom, root to ends, okay? So that's what the plan is. But before we get into all that, we're gonna go ahead and open it and smell it and see what's happening, because the packaging looks bomb already. It looks nice and neat and simple. It's giving simple. The ingredients are simple, the packaging is simple, and we love a minimal looking packaging. I don't know. I like it. So this is the hydration oil. So I love that it has this applicator to go along with it. I think this applicator would be a good way to put it throughout your hair, and you don't really have to worry about getting it everywhere. So it definitely smells good. It kind of smells like tea tree a little. It smells like oil, regular oil. Definitely smells good. And then this is the Vitamin Growth Serum. So the Vitamin Growth Serum, it smells like I can't put my finger on it. I want to say aloe, but it's not that. It smells like something, but it definitely smells like nature. Not nature. It smells like something natural. I can't put my finger on it, but it also smells good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it throughout my hair. I'm gonna start off with the growth serum. 1111 Hair Bar is a Black-owned hair company that is dedicated to wellness and healthy hair. Their Integrity Collection sets the foundation of the healthy hair for all hair types and conditions. The products are handmade with 100% organic plant-based ingredients. They are cruelty-free and vegan, sis. The fragrance of the products are natural. As I was explaining before, it definitely has a natural scent, but it's not overbearing. And I said tea tree oil before, but it actually has a peppermint smell. The Deluxe Hydration Oil has a peppermint smell, and the smell of the multivitamin oil has more of a chlorophyll smell, if that makes sense. But again, the smell is not overbearing at all, and it just smells natural. The Multivitamin Growth Serum has vitamin E, rosemary, lavender, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil, neem oil, grapeseed oil, and the Deluxe Hydration Oil contains sweet almond oil, avocado, Moroccan argan oil, lavender, and some other types of oils. Again, all natural, all safe, all plant-based, all organic. They have a full ingredient list on their website. If you go ahead and check that out, you can see all the ingredients in both of these products. Both of these bottles are 4 fluid ounces, so a little bit of oil goes a long way. Like I was saying, the oil is very lightweight, so you don't have to put that much. Oh my gosh, I know what this smells like. It smells like chlorophyll. Have y'all ever used that? It's like the green stuff you put in your drinks. That's what it smells like. It doesn't smell bad, but I was like, I know this smells like something. And that's also a natural, what is it? Chlorophyll is also natural. But yeah, that's what this smells like. Multivitamin Growth Serum is a product that stimulates rapid hair growth and grows hair thicker and fuller. If you want to grow your hair longer, this product is just for you, sis, and that's exactly what I want to do. So I'm definitely going to be using this on a daily, whether I have my wigs or have my natural hair. I'm definitely going to be putting this serum in my hair. And the Deluxe Hydration Oil hydrates and softens your hair and promotes shiny hair and healthy hair, and it hydrates your scalp. As you can see, my hair dries so fast, so hopefully this oil will train my hair to contain and retain the moisture. These products are very affordable and the quality is worth it. Again, I keep saying it's all natural, but putting a whole bunch of chemicals and a lot of different ingredients that you have no idea what it is not really good for your hair, especially if you're looking to grow it, maintain its health and natural shine. You want products that are going to be natural. Okay, so as you can see, I have type 4 hair, so when I play with my hair a lot, where I be doing a whole bunch of stuff, it's gonna frizz and my hair dries fast. It's just the water like that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do my little curly routine, what I usually do to my hair, and then I'm gonna top it off with some more of the Deluxe Hydration Oil so I can seal in all of the products that I put into my hair. So I'll be back shortly so y'all can see how that looks. And yeah, but I will say that both of these products are very lightweight, so you can always put it in any of your hair regimens or any of your routines. It probably won't affect it. I feel like it would work with a lot of products because it is all natural ingredients, so you won't have any a white cast or anything like that using it. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do my curly hair routine and then I'll be right back. And I'm back. So my hair just needed a little bit of TLC. It was giving very much dry. So now that I applied some of my products, of course it's still a little white, but that's gonna dry clear. But what I'm gonna do is go in with the Deluxe Hydration Oil right here. And it's gonna give my hair even more of a shine. So this is how it looks before. Okay. And it's the same type of applicator as the serum. So instead of putting this like directly in my hair, I am going to put it in my palm so I can put it on my hair. I love that this oil is so lightweight because I hate sealing my hair with a heavy oil because it's just too heavy on my hair, but it don't need all that oil. So this is like perfect. This company is eco-friendly. The products are 100% recyclable materials. They care about the planet. We want to save the earth, so that's good. 1111 hair bars shipping is fast, y'all. So go ahead and place your orders now. You would not be disappointed at all. And if you need any other information, again, go ahead and check out their website. It'll be all in the link in the description. See, look at my length, girl. Don't play with her. She's not with them. Shrinkage be real. So real. But that's why my hair goal, y'all, is to have my hair freaking butt length. First, let's get to waist length with it being curly, but butt length curly, psh, you can't tell me nothing. Right now, my hair, certain parts of my hair shrinks up more than the others. As you can see, like my sides are more elongated and this middle section has so much shrinkage, but it's all good because one day using this oil is gonna help it grow faster, okay? Period. So I will give this oil a 10 out of 10 because for one, it's Black owned, it's all natural, organic, handmade, okay? You can read all the ingredients. There's no guessing like, well, what else is in this product? The oil and the serum are both lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it being so heavy on your hair or weighing it down or anything like that. And I feel like I mix it with the products I use, which is my L products, and it mixes perfectly. It doesn't leave a white cast or anything like that. So I'm sure it will do the same with yours, especially with all the ingredients being natural. So go ahead and order some oils or some serum. So like I mentioned before, 1111 Hair Bar is owned by a Black woman. She also has a YouTube channel called Kiana. It will be right here, and I'll also put it in the description. Go ahead and show her channel some love and her company, and you can tell her that Lee sent you, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to check out 1111 Hair Bar, okay? It's Black owned. It's also owned by a Black woman. So support your women entrepreneurs, okay? That's all wet, period. And again, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff. Cause what? It's 2021, it's up in the stuck, period. See y'all in my next video.